Tell me when you're ready.
I already started.
You already started. Excellent. Alrighty, folks, today I'm going to show you how you put your bridge together. If you've got two sides, a base and a top, and you've taken them off the wax paper, flipped them over, reinforced anywhere that maybe you didn't get enough glue in the plate and it didn't stick, once there are no loose connections, you're ready to assemble your bridge. To assemble your bridge, you're going to take and make 8 pieces of tape, stick them on the table in front of you. You will also need 2 unused sticks. These are going to overlap by about 1 inch, and you're going to tape these together to make a longer stick, like so. You'll take your base, you'll take one side. Whether you want the plates to face out or the plates to face in is entirely your call. But you want the side to go on top of the base. And you're going to find one of these pieces of tape that you've conveniently put on the table in front of you. And you're going to wrap it around each corner. Like so. Yes, it's going to wobble, but it's now attached. Then you'll take the second side. And again, wrap the tape around the corners. Doesn't look very stable, because it's not. Take another piece of tape, place your top on top, wrap the tape around the corner. Sounds like a broken record, doesn't it? At this point, the bridge is not stable at all. So you'll take 2 more pieces of tape. You're going to take this extended stick, you're going to place it at the corner on the bottom of one side. Just wrap it around so that it sticks. You'll adjust your bridge so that it's straight up and down. That stick will then be placed at a diagonal, and you will use a second piece of tape to attach the top of that stick. That diagonal brace gives this some stability. At this point, I only need to add a few drops of glue where the bridge touches the base and the top. And when I glue, I want to make sure that I'm doing it over a fresh piece of wax paper. At this point, if I've got glue on here, I can let this dry. One bridge will easily fit in our locker. The second bridge, and you're going to want to spin all the way around, it's going to go all the way over here. You have an empty shelf. If you place your bridges in, edgewise, we can fit a lot of bridges here to dry. Make sure you put your name on your bridge if you leave it out to dry. If you're not ready to assemble, don't try it. Wait till you're ready. Get to work.